Hey guys, it's been pretty warm these couple of days, even though it's winter. Actually, winter is just about to pass here in Southern California, and check out this stalk of bananas, which means it is time to harvest. Okay, so the stalk is right here coming out of this plant actually. Kind of just hangs over there. So there's a thick stalk that the banana, this cluster kind of grows on, so I'm just going to whack that cluster off the very top here. Okay, ready? Here we go for it. Oops. There we go. How heavy is it? What do you think? Does it like I even pick this up? I don't know, what is this, 40 pounds? 35, 40. Oh, and this is super sticky stuff, guys. Let's give it a try, by the way, guys. Ice cold bananas, they're just so good. Go for it, Lotus, go for it. Hi, babes. Okay, guys, what we're gonna do right now is actually, let's get this out of here and then move on to the next one. Whoops. See how it sections off so you can just chop them down like right there. Okay, before chopping, you gotta move your pets, your children, everyone around you away. Okay, I'm just going to saw this off. It gives me a lot more control. So ideally, if you want to be able to store them longer, you want to pick them or, cut the stalk when it's about this green. I mean, green that's kind of got like hints of yellow showing through. You know that it's starting to ripen. And once they start to ripen, the stage goes by really quickly. They'll get all the way ripened just like this.
Hey babes, is this tradition? Hey, we're sharing. We're sharing, Lotus.
Alrighty guys, just got done cutting these up. Everything here has been hosed off. You can see these ones on the tray are going to just, left to drain here until they dry more. I can bring all these out, bring them in the house. So there's a lot of these you can see are ready to eat. If I don't eat them fast enough, they're gonna go in the freezer. Of course, I'm gonna peel them and maybe break them up in smaller pieces and put them in the freezer. I can make really good frozen smoothies with them. I can bake like banana nut bread or something with the super ripe ones. And then these would just sit outside as nice decorations, and they'll be ready to eat in a few days, depending on how warm the days are going to get. But yeah, when you looked at these look pretty much like the store-bought bananas, right? Sometimes you would see these, if they're still really fresh at the stores, you would still see these, or they might have just removed these. I mean, this is actually still part of the flour that's still intact with the fruit. Okay, let me just kind of show you guys how the banana fruits, basically it's like the biggest biggest flower out of all fruits I've seen. And so after the finished flowering, this giant cluster of bananas will start to form, and in Southern California it does take like a whole year for the fruit to ripen. And usually for us, I see that they start ripening after winter. Like right now we're in late January, so it's kind of like a late winter for us. So after the cold, it kind of starts ripening. So anyway, after you get this cluster of banana, at the very end right here, you get part of that. You get that flour. This is the piece you would chop off. You chop it off like so. And there's a way to prepare this. You can actually eat this. You shred it up, you could pickle it, or they blanch it and make a really tasty salad with it. I've tried it with mine here, and it was really astringent. I talked to Spot Oliver over in Exotica Rare Food Nursery, and he said he's tried over like a dozen or 2 dozens of different kinds of bananas, and the flowers are all pretty astringent. And so we kind of came to thinking it could just be that it's not just a variety, but it's probably the weather here is not friendly for. I mean, we're not actually in the tropics, so that's probably why it's not palatable. But anyway, if I get a chance to show you this when I'm actually back in Asia, I'll show you guys how they actually eat the banana flour. That's all. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed it, and share and subscribe to the channel for a lot more exciting videos coming out your way very soon. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, where I post more current events and things going on in the garden, just glimpses of my life. And I will see you guys right here again very soon. Bye!